Hello everyone, welcome back to Drew Drives. Let's go for a quick drive in this 2023 Ford Expedition Limited. This has a 3.5 liter V6 with 400 horsepower. And with this being the Limited, it's pretty luxurious in here. Use a gauge cluster. Nice leather wrap steering wheel with red stitching throughout the interior. You have heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. You have that dial shifter. This is your backup camera with a 360 camera as well, which is pretty good resolution. I'm impressed with that. A lot of space, captain's chairs, which we can take a look at later on in the video. Yeah, let's go for that drive. This is a pretty big vehicle, of course, being an Expedition. Has some good torque. Brakes feel good too. I like the 10-speed automatic in these newer Fords, the trucks and SUVs. It's pretty smooth. I don't know, Expeditions are very popular vehicles. I like the interior quality in here. It's pretty good. I mean, I'd expect it as it's the Limited trim. And this Limited trim looks pretty good too on the outside, which we'll take a look at later on. Yeah, it's good acceleration. I like that. I definitely like the seating position. I feel like I'm towering over the road, which is nice in a big SUV. You definitely get that nice feeling in these big trucks and SUVs. You're lifted from the road. It's isolated. And these ventilated seats are definitely kicking in. Seat is freezing cold. But yeah, I mean, I think this is a really nice SUV to haul kids around in and to haul a bunch of cargo if you need that too. And it definitely serves its purpose as a big SUV. Blind spot a little bit compromised by this giant handle for the rear passenger behind you, so I can't really see much there on the left side, which is kind of annoying. But yeah, but the blind spot on the right side is fine. I mean, this thing is as I was saying, like, there's so much room behind you in this interior. There's just so much space. Yeah, like I enjoyed that drive. Let's go for a quick walk around as always. So yeah, it looks pretty good. You have retractable running boards, LED headlights in the front, black wheels, which look kind of cool. I like that. The taillights are smoked, and all the badging is black. There's space you got in the back. Yeah, your TVs in this limited. I didn't even know that. And you have the captain's chairs. And the leg room in the back seems pretty decent. That is not bad at all. Here's your sunroof. Pretty impressive in terms of practicality in this truck / big SUV. Yeah. Thanks again for watching. As always, if you enjoyed, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you all in the next one. I'm out.